Salut coders, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this demo, I want to show you how to create a group and to be able to send messages between users in the groups. And the send of the message will be able to delete the message and also seek the group information. And you'll be able to change group profile picture. So let me show you by a demo. So on this device, I want to create a group. So I can select members. I just want to select this one member and I can click create group and I can say group one. So after doing this, you can see on both devices, it's showing that new group was created. So here, I just want to change the profile picture of the group. So you can click the group info and you can change the picture, select a picture. Let me crop my image. I want this leaf and click done. So you can see on both devices it's showing that a group with new profile picture. So I can come back here. You can see even on this device it is syncing. So after doing that, let me send a message to this user. Say hi. You can see here it's showing that this message has been delivered to this user, and I currently have one user in this group, and I can, if I view this message, you can see it's showing two double ticks, and the user was Musid, and I can say hello like this. As you can see, I'll be able to see the user profile picture and the message and the time the message was sent, and you notice something is showing that this user is typing in that group. So like this, and right now I stop typing. So if you send a message, if this user, you can do this. You can view the message information. It was delivered and read by this user, and the text message of the user which was sent, and you can delete this message, just delete it, and you can see it's real time, and the message was deleted on both devices. So after we create groups, there are some of the things that we are going to do. But if you are new to this channel, you may kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload awesome videos. And with this group update, it's going to be a long video. Right now, I'm creating a blog for this, and I walk you through how we are going to achieve this. And we are using Appwrite, real time, and also yes, and Flutter as usual. So thank you guys for watching this video. Salut Koda.